How to write blog posts and long-form content in less time using Content Ninja AI copywriting software. Writing long-form blog posts and content can be a very tedious and time-consuming process. Knowing how to write blog posts and long-form content in less time with AI copywriting can have major benefits for you and your online business. So, if you want to learn how to write blog posts and long content in less time using software AI copywriting, this will help you. Hello, welcome to Meet Content Ninja. My name is Ron, and in this video I will introduce you to a new and powerful assistant in synthetic scriptwriting which is called Content Ninja. Content Ninja is an AI copywriting software that can help you write blog posts and long-form content very quickly. Content Ninja gets some really great reviews from real users on the Content Ninja conversion site. Over 2,000 bloggers, writers, affiliate marketers, podcasters, and online entrepreneurs have already benefited, and YouTube creators using Content Ninja from AI conversion. Content Ninja AI transformation is changing the rules of the game, and I see the huge potential of a tool like this. My favorite tool for breaking writer's block, says Matt Farrell. I love this app. It has saved me hundreds of dollars in fees that I would have spent on copywriters. Actually, freaking good. No fluff, real stuff. I was shocked, seriously. 2 months of content finished in 2 days. Transcription is something I've struggled with for ages. I love this tool. 3 hours, no results. Content Ninja, 5 minutes, and 2 great blog posts. It helps write Amazon copy faster. This artificial intelligence is incredibly amazing. Creators and coaches help attract ideal clients. I was able to publish a book in less than a week due to the Content Ninja. The reviews go on and on and on. Dang, call me amazed. Better than competitors. Yes, and I must say that the Content Ninja AI conversion is better and much better than its closest competitor. The template tools inside Content Ninja are amazing. Content Ninja writes all copies on this site. Almost every word you read on this post is written by AI, artificial intelligence. The easiest way to write great copy quickly. End writer's block forever. Post more content faster. Increase sales with better copies. Guys, if you struggle with coming up with ideas for content, even coming up with ideas for blog posts, video titles, write video descriptions, and intros for your blog posts, main content, and your conclusions, finding points, writing emails, you put a few sentences in Content Ninja and he will create the content for you. It doesn't quite do everything for you. After all, it is AI software, and for best results you should tweak it a little. It's 95%, 5%. You put 5% in, Content Ninja will give you the other 95%. If you have a little money in your pocket and know that you will create a lot of content, you have a team behind you, or you have a couple, virtual assistants, behind you that will write the content for you, then you can give them access to your account. Say hello to Content Ninja, your new AI writing assistant. Now, Content Ninja can help you write articles for blogs, social media posts, sales letters, and even books. 3 steps to long content with Content Ninja. Start with a keyword search and watch Content Ninja show you a ton of videos to choose from. If you want to use the video, then only use Creative Commons videos to avoid any copyright claims. If you aren't going to use the video, you can spin the content to make it unique. The video that was created here was done this way by taking an AI-created blog post and uploading it to Vidnami to create your own video. This is not spun content, guys, but this is a free option for you. I've written dozens and dozens of articles over the past 6 months for European travel blog. I've passed each of them through Copyscape and Grammarly and they all come back unique 100%. Google will not penalize you for the content written here. Like I said, you can have team members. You can give them an access link to your account and they can either write your own content or you can have a content book, or outsource that content using your Content Ninja account. Get yourself on Fiverr as a content writer. You can write at least 5 articles per month at $50 each. There are $250 just for 25 minutes of work. The more articles you write, the more money you make. Join over 2,000 people using artificial intelligence to hack writer's block. I think you got the idea. Say hello to Content Ninja, your new AI text writing assistant. Save hours writing smart original content. End writer's block forever with new ideas from the bot. Writing and translating content in multiple languages. Yeah. English, Japanese, Chinese, Russian, German, French and Italian. Create long content in minutes. This software helps you write 100% unique content for marketing copy. You can write product descriptions. Be creative, write your own story. Optimize the content you've already written. For that, old blog posts that need an upgrade. You can write new blog posts, blog post topics, blog post outlines, and blog post introduction paragraphs. You can expand the sentences you type. You can write Facebook ads, Google ads, Amazon product features, and Amazon descriptions. If you use Instagram, this will improve your posted captions. If you are a YouTube creator, this will give you unlimited ideas with these 5 templates, from video topic ideas, script outline, titles for your videos, video text linking, and foreground. Even down to your video description. It's good for email subject lines and will also help you get the blog post title meta descriptions, your website homepage, title and meta descriptions, and product page or service page title and meta descriptions. We all talk about features a lot. This tool is truly a marketer's dream. Who will benefit from using this copywriter? If you are a blogger, YouTube creator, podcaster, affiliate marketer, or professional copywriter, this AI copywriting tool will do all the hard work for you. Just give Content Ninja some basic input and you'll be amazed at what it writes for you. I've been testing Content Ninja using conversion AI technology for the past 6 months and have created more than 300,000 words. So, if you are a marketer of any kind, an affiliate marketer, a podcaster player, or a YouTube content creator, or a blogger, or an ad agency, this is the tool for you for sure. Try it. See what you think. I am sure you will love it. If you are not a marketer, this tool will turn you into one. It's addictive. You can do a lot with it. It's dead easy to use. Just start using it. Click the link in the description. I mentioned earlier during the video about Fiverr sellers. Well, content authors, content creators on Fiverr. If you're on Fiverr, you've seen the gigs, but if you're thinking outside the box a bit, here is a great solution if you want to make money from this Content Ninja software. If you are a Fiverr seller and have content writing carts, This software will help you write content faster and speed up your achievement. Just think about it if you are already on Fiverr. If you are struggling to write content or produce enough content, this software will speed up the whole process, and for those who are not on Fiverr as a Fiverr seller, this could be an opportunity to make money because you can basically put yourself down on Fiverr as a content writer and use Content Ninja as a writing tool. How many articles can you write in a month on Fiverr? You only need to write one article of $50, and you have paid for Content Ninja.